Hi, my name is Cornelius at Fair Car Wash. Today I'm going to show you how to hand wash your vehicle at home. So all you're going to need is the product, 2 mitts preferably, and 2 buckets. So today I'm going to show you how we clean cars here at Fair Car Wash. We use a 2-bucket method. We use one for the bottom and one for the top, hence the 2 mitts. As always, read your directions before using any of our products. So our product recommends that you use 4 caps per bucket. So after you've added your product into the bucket, what you want to do is fill the bucket to your desired limit. And while you have your hose, you want to always rinse your vehicle. Now we use the blue mitt for the bottom and the green mitt for the top, just to keep it simple on our side. Now always remember, when you hand wash your vehicle, you want to go in back and forth motion. You never want to go in circular motion because it gives a better chance of scratching the paint. So once you've washed the top, I always recommend rinsing that down before you go to the bottom. So after you rinse the top, now you want to go to the bottom. When we wash the bottom or the top, we always wash the bottom from the molding down, and the top we wash from the molding up, to ensure that any contamination we get on the mitt from the bottom, from the road grime, we will not get onto the paint on top, and it gives us a better chance of not scratching the vehicle. And once you're done washing the bottom, you finish rinsing all the soap off. So the final step to washing your truck is you want to always make sure that you dry it. And we have our own absorbers, which will come in our detailing kit, but you can use just a towel if you prefer doing that. So it's important to dry the water off when you're done hand washing your truck, because if you leave the water on there, the sun will burn the water into it. You'll get spots all over your paint, and then you have to bring it in to get it professionally polished and detailed in order to remove all those stains from your paint. And that's why it's very important to always sham your truck or car after you hand wash it, so you don't leave the water on it. Just like that, your car is washed, dried, and ready to go. If you like the product you just seen and you want to try it at home, come visit us at our Leamington location or visit us at faircarwash.com to pick up your home detailing kit that has all the products that we offer. Have a blessed day.